Hello you guys, this is Divya Aparajit. I know it's been a very long since I haven't made any makeup videos lately. But today, let's do a quick makeup tutorial. So do not waste your time and let's get started. Never forget to moisturize your face. Let's do it quickly. Nykaa primer. This primer mattifies your skin, so which is very good. Next is Maybelline Multi-Use Concealer. You got your beauty blender, you gotta blend it in a nice way. I'm putting the second layer of concealer. Pack foundation, Nykaa Silicone blender. Beauty blender works really well because it doesn't eat your product. Foundation is done. Let's just quickly set it up with powder. Using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Base is done. Let's quickly proceed with contour. For contouring, I'm using this PAK eyeshadow palette. Also, for beginners, you can use small brush for nose contouring because this brush would be hard for you. Here I'm using Color Bar Blush, which is my favorite. This makes your face look peachy. Done with the blush. Time for highlighter. I'm using PAK highlighter. Eye base, I'm using Maybelline concealer. I'm using Faces Canada waterproof kajal. You can take your eyeshadow brush, take some black eyeshadow and just blend. We'll do same on the other side. Quick eye makeup is done. Let's quickly curl the lashes. I'm using Color Bar mascara. Let's just quickly conceal the brows. put the lip balm and faces lip liner. I'm using NYX liquid lip cream. This is again NYX liquid lip cream. Done. Before proceeding, let's just apply some powder on the under eyes. So the fallen eyeshadow would get covered up. This is it. Was the quick easy makeup tutorial. Guys, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to press the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned.